Another butter lunch? Seriously? How different can it be? That's it? No twisting, no stack caps, titanium? Oh, that's sick. Wait. I guess my old button just get fired. So yeah, meet the overqualified butter. Woky titanium butter. It's 99.9% pure titanium. Yeah, same stuff they use in spacecrafts. Meanwhile, you're here using it to sip water lemon after yoga? Astronaut vibes, suburban problems. Naturally antibacterial, anti-rust, and odor-free, which means you will never smell it again and think, ah yes, eau de regret. The quick open lid, one click, done. It's basically the shortcut key for drinking water. Ultra-light titanium plus 24 hours insulation means hot stays hot and cold stays cold. Finally, something in life that is consistent. It's built for everything. Travel, work, yoga, gym. Consider it your +1 to all places you go. Grip easy, carry easy, wash easy. This isn't just a button. It's premium titanium engineering shaped into something that actually makes you want to hydrate. Oh, and flex check. It's a Red Dot Design Award winner and broke crowdfunding records in Taiwan. So yeah, it's kind of like the Beyoncé of buttons. Now Woky is back and this is your time to join the hype. Woky titanium button, now live on Kickstarter.